Have you ever wondered what actually happens when you type a web address, hit enter, and boom, a website just appears on your screen? I mean, it feels completely instantaneous, right? Almost like magic. But in those invisible milliseconds right before a web page loads up, there's actually a fascinating sequence of events taking place. Behind that perfectly seamless experience, somebody had to build the infrastructure. Registering a name, renting server space, choosing a design, and making the whole thing visible to the world.
Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're going to completely demystify the entire website creation process. And to make sense of it all, we're going to build a website right from the ground up. To keep things super easy to follow, we'll be using a really simple architectural metaphor. Basically, think of building a website exactly like building a physical house.
So here's our roadmap. We are breaking this whole thing down into 4 really accessible layers. Layer 1 is your domain, Layer 2 is web hosting, Layer 3 is your CMS, and Layer 4 is your themes and plugins. Starting off with Layer 1, the domain name, or the human-readable address. Just like a physical house, you absolutely need an address before people can find you, and you usually secure this for a pretty tiny annual fee through a registrar. Now, behind the scenes, the internet doesn't actually read those domain names. It runs on numbers. So when your browser asks for a website, it goes to a DNS resolver. Think of this as the internet's unbelievably fast phone book. The resolver queries the authoritative server, finds the specific IP address attached to your domain name, and then immediately connects your domain to the correct server. And this really shows just how efficient the internet's infrastructure is, because this entire 4-step lookup typically happens in under 50 milliseconds, literally the blink of an eye. So with our address secured, we move right into Layer 2, web hosting, which is essentially renting your digital land. In the digital world, web hosting just means renting server space to store all your website's files so they stay online and available 24/7. Let's quickly peek under the hood of that server. What we have here is called the LAMP stack. This is the foundational software running on most web hosts to make your site function. It stands for Linux, which is the underlying operating system, Apache, the web server software itself, MySQL, which is where your database lives, and PHP, the scripting language handling all the logic. I know it sounds super technical, but don't worry. The great news here is that your hosting company completely manages this foundation for you. Now, when you're renting this digital land, you do have options. Shared hosting is typically going to be your cheapest route. We're talking maybe $3 to $5 a month, but you're sharing server space with tons of other sites, and you largely have to manage the technical installations yourself. On the flip side, managed WordPress hosting through companies like SiteGround or Kinsta, well, that's like having a dedicated property manager. They automatically handle your performance optimization, security, and system updates, which gives you total peace of mind to just focus on building your actual site. All right, moving on to Layer 3, the CMS, or framing the house. Let's see how this digital property actually takes shape without you needing a software engineering degree. A content management system, or CMS, basically strips away all that intimidating jargon. It is simply software that lets you build your site visually instead of hand-coding every single paragraph or image tag from scratch. And when we talk about a CMS, there is an absolute giant in the room: WordPress. Get this, it currently powers a staggering 43% of the entire internet. It's an incredibly powerful piece of open source software, it's universally supported, and it has definitely become the undeniable standard framework for building a website today. To really understand why a CMS like WordPress is so insanely popular, we should compare static websites against dynamic websites. A static site is fast and simple. It just serves the exact same pre-built HTML files to every single visitor. But a dynamic site, like one built on WordPress, is way more powerful. It actually generates web pages on demand by querying a database the exact moment a visitor arrives. And this is what allows you to have complex features like user logins, shopping carts, and constantly updating blog feeds without having to manually code new pages every time. Okay, so we've got the sturdy frame of our house built. Welcome to Layer 4, themes and plugins, or as I like to call it, the interior design and appliances. You definitely wouldn't want to live in a house with just bare wooden frames and exposed wires, right? You need drywall, some nice paint, maybe beautiful hardwood floors. In WordPress, themes dictate your visual design. Options like GeneratePress, Cadence, and Astra are highly recommended because they're incredibly lightweight and optimized for serious speed. And if you want absolute layout control without learning a single line of code, page builders like Elementor allow you to literally drag and drop your interior design exactly where you want it to live on the screen. But a house also needs functional tools to make it truly livable, right? Think stoves, refrigerators, maybe a smart security system. Well, that is exactly what plugins do. They are add-on software pieces that extend your site's capabilities. Want great SEO? Grab Yoast. Need an online store? You use WooCommerce. Want your site to load incredibly fast? Install WP Rocket. These are basically the unique appliances that bring highly specific utility straight into your digital home. The house is fully built and decorated. Now for the really fun part, the polish and launch, focusing on security, speed, and trust. These are those essential final touches that transform your site into a truly professional destination. So, to guarantee blistering speed, you use a CDN, or content delivery network. This is a massive global network of servers that caches, or saves copies of, your website's files physically closer to where your visitors live. For example, if your server is sitting in New York, a user visiting from London doesn't have to wait for the data to cross the entire Atlantic Ocean. By using a free global network like Cloudflare, you can astonishingly cut your page load times by 50% for international visitors. That's a huge deal. For trust and security, you absolutely must have an SSL or TLS certificate. This provides HTTPS encryption for your data, keeping your visitors safe. Without it, web browsers like Chrome are going to slap a giant red "not secure" warning right on your site, which, yeah, instantly drives visitors away. Thankfully, you can get free SSL options through Let's Encrypt, and most good hosts actually install this automatically. Beyond just security, you have to build trust with Google by tracking your core web vitals. These are key metrics that measure exactly how fast your site loads and responds. Your theme and hosting choices directly affect these scores, which Google uses as a major ranking signal for search results. All right, we've covered all the components. Now let's look at the final website stack, bringing it all together. If there's just one summarizing thought I really want you to take away from this explainer, it's this. Your domain points to your server runs WordPress, WordPress uses your theme to display your content, and plugins add the extra features. That right there is the complete, simplified, end-to-end journey of a live professional website. Now, you might be sitting there thinking, this kind of robust framework sounds incredibly expensive to maintain. But here is the ultimate value bomb. If you combine a standard domain name, a reliable shared hosting plan, the completely free WordPress CMS, and a fast, free theme like GeneratePress, you can successfully launch a fully functional, highly professional website for under $75 a year. I mean, that is just the unbelievable power of today's web building tools.
So, we've completely demystified the invisible magic happening behind the screen. You now possess the full architectural blueprint, all the way from securing your digital land to putting that final visual coat of paint on your homepage. The foundational tools are deeply accessible, the financial costs are remarkably low, and the entire internet is literally waiting for your ideas. So the only question left to answer is, now that you know the blueprint, what kind of website are you going to build?